Welcome. If you've ever worried about apps quietly listening through your microphone, you're not alone. Today, we'll walk through how to stop Messenger from accessing your microphone completely. This is a simple but important step to protect your privacy. So, let's get right into it. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is where all of your phone's app permissions live. Once it's open, scroll down until you find the section called Apps, or sometimes it might say App Management depending on your device. This is where you'll see a list of every app installed on your phone. Next, scroll through the list and find Messenger. Once you tap on it, you'll see several options that control how the app behaves, from notifications to data usage, storage, and yes, permissions. Now, tap on the option that says Permissions. Here's where you can see all the access Messenger currently has, such as to your camera, contacts, storage, and microphone. If Messenger has microphone permission turned on, it means the app can use your mic whenever you record voice messages or make calls. But if you'd rather keep that turned off, the next step is simple. Tap on Microphone, and then select Don't Allow. This immediately blocks Messenger from using your microphone for any reason. You'll still be able to use Messenger to send texts, photos, and emojis, but the app won't have permission to listen in or record sound. That's it in just a few easy steps. You've taken control of your privacy. Small changes like this can go a long way in protecting your personal information and keeping your digital space secure. Before you go, take a moment to review your other app permissions as well. You might be surprised by how many apps have access to your camera, microphone, or location without you realizing it. A quick check once in a while can make a big difference. Thanks for watching.